Glowfox Insights is our advanced reporting product for fitness entrepreneurs that want to make better informed decisions, deliver consistently high results, and increase their member lifetime value. Glowfox Insights shows you reports on member activity, sales activity, lead acquisition and conversion, retention and utilization, and member demographics. So what's so different about Glowfox Insights? First, you can see the historical trends of every metric. Not just what's happening now, but how that compares to your gym's performance over time. Second, the reports are interactive. You can drill down from any metric to see the actual members that make up the numbers. For example, your top 10 bookers, your leads by source, or your inactive members. Let's take a closer look. For member activity, you can see how your gym is performing over time for active members, first-time members, pauses, cancellations, and who has the most overdue payments. You can also compare sales performance over time. You can see membership sales, credit pack sales, store sales, and other sources of revenue. And you can see the outstanding balances of money owed so you can take action to recover that revenue. Digging deeper, you can see how many leads your location is generating, the source of those leads, and how well they are converting. Retention and utilization reports show the bookings and attendance levels at your gym. You can see the number of classes and how those classes are being filled. Use this as an early warning system for cancellations and get the right mix between offering multiple classes for members and keeping those classes profitable. Finally, member demographics helps you understand the age, gender, location, and spending patterns of the members at your gym. Use this to learn more about the customers you're already attracting so that you can focus on investing in the most successful ones. If you want to know more about what Glowfox Insights can do for you, reach out to us at customersuccess@glowfox.com. For more information, visit our knowledge base.